Hey, this is Dave again. I got another little review for you. This isn't sponsored or anything. This is just something I bought because I thought it was neat. And after looking at it, I think that other people might find it to be useful. So I'm a big fan of rechargeable batteries. I've got some solar setups to recharge batteries. And this is even easier. This is a USB Rechargeable AA. So you've got the battery and you've got the battery top. When you plug it together, it makes a AA battery. But when you need to recharge it, you just plug it into USB and it's going to charge. So I've got this USB hub over here. It's a little 4 terabyte drive. Just stick it in there, let that charge up, and then I can go ahead and put that in my TV remote. So pretty interesting. I'll put a link below so you can see where to get these on Amazon, but I think it's pretty cool. Thanks.